So how do you upload on the Instagram Reels from the iPad? So it's important that you have the latest version of Instagram. So you can open up the App Store and look up the word Instagram. And if there is an update available, make sure you do install it, as recently Instagram came out with a full-fledged version of the platform for iPads as well. We used to not have that, but make sure you have the latest version so you get the full screen Instagram experience. And once you have that, obviously make sure that you are signed in and that your account is ready, but you just need to locate the plus button for the creation process. If the app asks you for access to your photos and videos, naturally you need to grant the access, right? This is necessary. But then you just select the clip or even more clips which you want to combine into a reel. You just go through the upload process. Like, you might want to apply some other effects and change the, set up the cover image and type in the description, hashtags and location, tag people, whatever you got to do. You can do it, of course, on the iPad, just like on the iPhone. But once you go through all of the steps, you just confirm it by uploading, and then you essentially ended up with uploaded reel directly from the iPad. As I say, it's kind of important to have the latest version of both the app as well as the iPad OS, so you have the latest stuff available to you. But that is going to be about it from me. I honestly hope that I can help you with this. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides similar to this one, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future videos. Yes.